Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to update your Ford Focus sat-nav. First, confirm your current navigation system version to see if an update is necessary. You'll need a USB drive with a minimum of 32 gigabytes of storage. It's crucial that your car's engine is running or in accessory mode throughout the entire update process to prevent interruptions. This preparation ensures a smooth and successful update for your navigation system. Next, navigate to the official Ford support website that corresponds to your geographical region. Once there, carefully find the precise map update files designed for your particular Ford Focus model. These files are often quite large, so be prepared for a significant download. Make sure to download the entire update package directly to a readily accessible folder on your computer. After downloading, extract the compressed files and then copy them onto your properly formatted USB drive. Once the files are transferred, take the USB drive and insert it into the designated USB port within your Ford Focus. Your car's system should then recognize the update. Simply follow the clear on-screen prompts that appear to initiate the navigation system update process. The update process can take some time, potentially up to 60 minutes, so please be patient. It is absolutely critical not to remove the USB drive or turn off your engine at any point during this period. Once the update is fully complete, navigate to your sat-nav settings. There, you can easily verify that the new map version has been successfully installed and is ready for use.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.